Hello everyone, this is called Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Just like many of you, I also enjoy going to IKEA Malaysia for furniture and home furnishings. This is what I've just bought. LACK, L-A-C-K, LACK. So this is a wall shelf measuring at 26 cm by 110 cm. Available in white color, which is also my favorite, and also black brown. And one of the reasons that I choose this wall shelf is because of its simple design and almost invisible mounting. Let me show you. User manual. This is the hidden suspension bracket that makes the shelf looks like it is part of the wall. For your information, the two screws provided here are used to lock and secure the hidden suspension bracket inside the shelf. To mount the suspension bracket against the wall, you are required to use screws or fittings. However, they are not included here. Alamak, macam mana ni? Next, I'm gonna show you how to install the IKEA wall shelf onto the wall. First, use a spirit level to find a perfect horizontal line. Next, mark the drilling hole as per required by the suspension bracket. For fittings, I'll be using this Nylon Speed Plug 6mm by 55mm. Now, let's begin drilling. Good. Wow! Do you like my new IKEA wall shelf? And if you still think that installing these shelvings can be difficult, then you should watch my video. Let me make it easy just for you. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.